I'll be, excuse the mess behind me, it is a little bit messy. I'm going to be showing you all the trades I took today to make a whopping $27.80 on the day. Right, let's remove all of these drawings on both and start from scratch. So today we had high impact news. What impact news did we have? We had EPI, which left us with news data highs and news data lows. Now let's mark out data highs and data lows on NQ and ES. We then proceeded to manipulate into a 5-minute and a 15-minute. Well, it's a premium 5-minute inside of a bearish 15-minute on both indexes. Let's draw this out here. There you go, bearish. Drop down to the 1-minute time frame, and what do we see? Oh, is that a gorgeous little internal SMT inside of a gap? Oh, that's interesting, isn't it? Very interesting. And then what do we see? A 1-minute IFVG to the downside. Oh my god. Oh my god, but 17.5 points. Targeting London low. Whoa. Oh my god. W trade. Hey, A plus setup. Plus setup. Break even point. This internal low. AKA the start of a 5-minute bullish gap as well. Oh my god, A plus setup. Why didn't you take it, James? Why did you fade it? Why did you fade it? Just look at the time at the bottom. 14:29. 1 minute before market opens. This is the third time in the past 2 weeks where we've had an A plus plus setup. A plus plus setup, right? External SMT at the highs, manipulation into a bearish gap. Also retapping data lows, followed by an internal SMT inside of the bearish gap, and an inverse of a bullish gap. Print shorts for 87 points. Why did I not take it? Because it was 1 minute before market open. Okay, I thought that's fine. You know what? That's completely fine. That is absolutely bloody fine. We then were in this bearish, bullish 1 hour, which we still are, and we're reacting off of. We had an SMT ski here. Price came down. SMT inside of a gap. We did, however, inverse a 4 hour. We inversed 2 4-hour bullish gaps, which made me think, maybe we're not bullish. That's really odd. And then what else did I take? I looked for, what else did I take? I can't remember. We were inside of this bullish gap. I think I took longs off of the bullish gap because I completely faded the first setup. Look. Yeah, I saw it. Yes. So there was an SMT at the lows. Got a 1-minute inversion to the upside. This also was a good trade you could have taken. However, would have been a 60-point stop because for some reason we've just got mad volatility. We then proceeded to come back down, drop around this level. Also, we hit the 79% extension on this. I keep forgetting because I removed all the drawings, but we also swept 79% extension of this hourly leg, which I'll show you there. Swept, I don't know why I'm pointing at the screen, swept 79% extension. Whilst creating that SMT, we have just manipulated into a bearish hourly. My first, not particularly. Anyway, we then get a break even. Where do we get a break even? I wonder. And I wonder if you know what it means to find your dreams. And I wonder, where did I get the break even? Hold on, let's bring up the trades for the day. Cancel by system, filled. Sell, 26.13. We took 2 trades today. We faded this one entirely. Then there was another one, which was here. sorry guys. I had a bit of a sugar crash. Not the song. No, I've trained legs, didn't get enough sleep, and I had some Skittles, so I'm on the come down from that. Where was the other trade? I can't remember what I took. Oh yeah, no, I took this. Okay, so right, so we're here. Bears here on. Yes, so we manipulated into this bearish 15-minute that we created at market open. Right, I'm on it like a car bonnet, don't worry guys. Manipulated into this. We also had an SMT, an internal SMT. Where are we? Yes, an SMT off of this high. So we hadn't swept out on NQ, and we there. We did sweep it out on ES. Bearish SMT followed by, what was it, Dwedgemeister? It was a 30-second gap. 30-second IFVG. Yes. 30-second IFVG closed below here. Entered targeting all the way down to Asia low. We just faffed about because there was also a bullish 1 minute below, which we tapped into a few times. I just completely closed out the trade here because we entered complete chop for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, just hovering around our entry. So I got out, and luckily I did. I got out the candle before it just boomed to our stop loss. Got out for plus 30 on the day. I want to know where that break even was. But I can't see another setup. Am I going blind? I'm legally blind. Bullish. Manipulation to the 5 minute. There's no 5 minute. No. But yeah, there was also a 5 minute here, so I'm glad I got out of this trade because we just opened up a new 5 minute gap, which we ended up wicking into and getting an inverse off of. This is an internal SMT. No, I was going to say because that would have been a very valid entry. Bang, bang, bang. Could have taken this for a 1 to 2, respective 5 minute gap, but I didn't. I'm a dingus. Oh, boys, I'm just getting really frustrated. I'm getting so frustrated with just not taking any trades. Like, this is the P&L for the month, 856.96. No trades yesterday, 2 trades on Monday, 2 trades today, 1 break even, 1 fucking stopped in profit. I mean, at least we took something, I suppose, but we're now manipulating into this hourly. We've got an SMT. Holy shit, we've got an SMT, and we're about to get a 1 minute inverse. SMT. SMT. We've got any 5 minutes below? None that have just been made. Well, we just inverse that. Oh, that's a 30-second. Let's see if we inverse this 1 minute, because this would be a good trade. We didn't. How good of a trade would it be? That's a perfect stop loss. And a good take profit. If we get in it, okay, I'll be so real. If we end up coming sweeping out this high, making an internal SMT inside of this hourly gap, and then getting a 1 minute inverse out, I'm in there like swimwear. That's all I'm gonna say. There's no 5 minute gaps for another 30-second makes our in 30 seconds makes our entry 5 minute gap. Okay, well no, that's done for the day then. However, look like we're getting the internal SMT. Because 1 5 minute fair value gap against all of this bearish internal external SMT, inverse of a 4 hour. Yeah, did we? Yeah, that is an internal SMT. Unless ES comes and sweeps this high, and then it's completely invalid. Go on, do it, pussy, fucking do it, fucking do it, fucking do it, pussy, do it, pussy, do it, pussy, do it. What are you doing? Go on, sweep this, sweep that high, make the trade invalid. Go on, sweep the high, make the trade invalid. Go on, you know you want to, equal highs. One more tick. Yep, okay. Trade's invalid. Booked out for the day. Was today. What a shit day. All-time highs has been, they were printing on paper, right? But Jesus Christ. I'm so annoyed. I just don't take anything. Like, look, A++ setup, external SMT at the highs, manipulation into a 15-minute fair value gap after sweeping data lows, retap of data lows, 79% extension, internal and external SMT, 1 minute inversion coming out. Why did you not take it? For a 1 to 5? Oh, a gambling market open. It's not gambling if you know you're gonna win, is it? Sorry. Not good advice. Don't gamble, guys. But look, my charts are all messed up. I've completely just zonked out. Been on the charts for an hour and a half. So, fully locked out. Done for the day. Remove the drawings. I mean, at least we're green on the day. But, just being honest, boys. Can't be asked. You know what I mean? Probably going to inverse this bullish gap, manipulate into this gap, and then shoot higher. Is my hypotheses for the rest of the day. A little less energy in this one. I don't feel as good. I don't know. But I'm going to cruise around. Got a new car. Keep the Insta and the TikTok. Yeah, also good things coming soon. Those of you that have commented saying that you want to learn from me, I'm in the process of making a Discord where we can all sort of share ideas and things like that. And we can just low-key all become profitable day traders. So, yeah. A green day is better than a red day. That's all that matters. I didn't take any trades that weren't valid. Completely stuck to my rules. And yeah, ended up on top again. We're profitable. Haven't had a red day at all this month. Ideally, would like to keep it like it, but doesn't matter too much. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. I'll see you later. Alright. 2 more days left on the day. I want a 1k week. Yeah, 3 more days and we can request another payout. So that's good. See you in a bit.